Hey everyone, Matt from Woodworking here. Today I wanted to share a helpful tip that I have discovered when it comes to making rollerball and fountain pens. Any pen that really has a cap on it, and this particular type of pen does have a cap on it. So I want to share a little helpful tip that I found. Hopefully it will be helpful for you as well.
All right, so you see I have the two sections of the fountain pen here. I have drilled this one out. I have the tube in there already. I have not run the reamer through it, so it's not quite flush yet. Got that side pretty close, but that side needs some work still. This is the tube for the other side, and you can see that I cut the blank just a little bit short. And now I did that on purpose because you want, when you're attaching this at the end, there's a section here that you're going to want to glue directly onto the tube. And it looks kind of like, it looks like this. Remember, this is the classic fountain or rollerball set. And inside of this, there are some little threads in there. And this is actually the piece that will screw the cap on. So you don't want to glue this right to the blank. You can, and I've actually had some success with that. But it's actually a lot more stable to glue this part, I mean, not the thread part, so be careful where you do apply the glue, directly onto the tube. It will make your pen just a little bit more stable and work over the long run.
So you can see I have probably about 1/8 of an inch sticking up out of the top there. And that should be more than enough for that center thread piece to adhere both to the blank and to the tube. It's just a little helpful hint to make sure that when you're constructing the cap of your fountain pen or rollerball pen, whatever, it's the same kit, that you are making it a little bit easier, saving yourself a step, and perhaps saving yourself from having the pen fall apart on you just because it doesn't have that extra level of support holding the thread piece on. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please let me know. Leave a comment. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Whatever button you feel persuaded to push, I will be okay with that. But for real, if it was a helpful video, subscribe so you can get more of my videos as they come along. Thanks, guys.